Did you know that there are 19 million people selling things on eBay? Why aren't you selling on eBay? Hello, my name is Rayna of Making Money Bossless. Here are the pros and cons of selling on eBay. You should always start with the pros. It just makes people feel better. So I will start with the pros. Here are the 3 pros for selling on eBay. Pro number 1. You don't have to market yourself. eBay does it for you. Pro number 2. Setting up an eBay account is easy. And pro number 3. Sellers are protected. eBay has an extensive policy and protections in place to protect you, the seller. Let me just go ahead and throw in a bonus pro. You can make a lot of money on eBay. You just have to put in the work. There are cons to selling on eBay. Con number 1. Competition is fierce. There are 1.7 billion listings on eBay. Getting your item found, it's gonna take work. You have to have a great picture, good title, fabulous description. And of course, you gotta price it right. Another con to selling on eBay is seller fees. There are a lot of fees involved with selling on eBay. You have the listing fee, the selling fee, the PayPal fee, and of course the shipping fee when you ship it, but the customer pays for that, unless you offer free shipping. However, let's do a little bonus here. To get rid of that con, eBay has managed payments now, which are so much easier because they take PayPal out of the equation completely and is much easier to deal with. They take the fee right out. And then, once a week, or once a day if that's how you have it set up, they deposit the money into your bank account. It's time for me to get on hustling. I got things to list, but Huey wants to say goodbye. Until next time, bye-bye. Say bye. Until next time, bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you're alerted every time I upload a new video. Bye-bye.